After dealing with personal loss and the county's pandemic response, Shasta County Health and Human Services Director Donnell Ewert will retire in April. Action News Now reporter Ryan Caney spoke with the director about this decision.
Director Donald Ewert told me his decision to call it quits was easier to make after losing a close friend last year.
One of the loved ones I lost was an old college friend of mine, about the same age as me. And, that just gets you thinking, about your mortality and so forth. So I think that was definitely a turning point.
Ewert said another reason he's retiring is fatigue from dealing with misinformation during the pandemic. Health and Human Services dealt with some harassment as protests against mask and vaccine mandates popped up around the county, despite never enforcing any COVID mandates.
The fact that people were protesting or that people had different opinions is not a problem. It's not having the same set of facts to work with is a bit challenging.
After more than 2 decades in Shasta County, Ewert hopes his legacy is remembered for more than just handling the pandemic.
I guess I don't want the last 2 years of the challenge of COVID to overshadow, so many of the other things we've been able to do. The COVID has been challenging, but it's been challenging for everybody.
Ewert told me it was a privilege to work through the pandemic and knows the county is in good hands with whoever takes his position next.
Hopefully I've been able to contribute with my skills, perspectives, and values, and hopefully, I think that person will be able to do that also. So I feel excited for the future, and I'm going to, of course, be rooting for all my people as they continue on.
The county will have a better idea of who Ewert's replacement could be over the next few weeks. In Reading, Ryan Caney, Action News Now. Coverage you can count on.
Ewert said he will spend his retirement traveling with family and helping underserved communities when he can.